Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to do talk to text on Android so you can speak instead of type. It's fast, easy, and super useful. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open any messaging app like Messages, WhatsApp, or even Gmail so that the keyboard pops up. You need to be in a typing area to access the keyboard for this feature to work. Step 2. Within the keyboard screen, look closely at the toolbar section right above your keys. Here you'll find a small microphone icon. This is the Talk to Text button. Tap on it once to activate voice typing mode. Step 3. Now just start speaking. As you talk, your phone will automatically convert your words into text in real time. It works best if you speak clearly and in a quiet environment. When you're done, just hit send or tap anywhere to stop. Step 4. If you can't see the microphone icon, don't worry. That just means voice typing is turned off for now. To fix it, tap the settings or gear icon on the keyboard toolbar to enter the keyboard settings. Step 5. Once you're in the settings, scroll down or search for an option called voice typing. Tap on it, then switch it on to enable this feature. After turning it on, go back to your messaging app and try again. The microphone should now appear. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.